Hello everyone, and welcome to this Rankpay conversion tracking guide. Today, we're focusing solely on tracking website form submissions using Google Analytics 4. We'll walk you through two methods from start to finish. The first will be a quick and direct setup, and the second will be a more advanced setup using Google Tag Manager. But before we get into the setup steps, let's briefly revisit why tracking form submissions is important in the first place. Your potential customers will often want to fill out a form to request a demo or contact your salespeople. The specifics will really depend on your business and website. But virtually every website should have a form of some kind for visitors to submit. When a visitor does complete a form, you'll probably want to know where they found your website. Was it a Google ad, a social post, another website? And by tracking and analyzing this information in Google Analytics, you'll be able to make smarter marketing decisions. Simple as that. All right, now let's jump into the first method, a direct setup via Google Analytics. This is a perfect solution for those who want basic conversion tracking without any of the complexities. Note that this method does assume that you have a thank you page set up for users when they complete a form on your website. So if you don't have one, be sure to ask your developer to set one up for you. So first, we're going to log into our Google Analytics account. And once we are logged in, we're going to click the admin icon from the bottom left-hand side of the screen. And from the right column, we're going to select data streams. Once you are inside the data stream, you're going to look for create custom events and create. You're going to name your custom event whatever you like. In this case, we're going to name it form submissions. For the event name, we are going to make sure it equals page view. And then let's add a secondary condition here for page location. And for the page location, we're going to choose the end of our page path, which is thank-u. That's our specific thank you page path. Once you're done, click create, and you'll see it under there with your new events. Once that's all done, you're going to go under data display, click on conversions, and click new conversion event. Now in here, you have to type the exact name of the event you just made. Once that is typed in, you'll see it show in this list. Make sure that the conversion toggle is checked. And believe it or not, that's all there is to it. You're done. Unless you want to go deeper and configure conditional tag firings or granular event triggers, and if that's the case, then you'll want to configure your events via Google Tag Manager. Here's how. In Google Tag Manager, under Tags, we're going to select New. For tag configuration, we're going to look for Google Analytics, and we're going to select the option for GA4 Event. Under Measurement ID, we're going to copy the measurement ID from our data stream in Google Analytics and paste it here. And we're going to give our event a name. Form submission should do. Now, under triggers, click the pencil icon and the plus. We're going to trigger this to fire on a page view, but a specific one, similar to how we set it up on Analytics. We're going to make this a page URL that contains our thank you page path. Once you're done, you're going to give your trigger a name. Go ahead and hit save. And then we have to give our tag a name that we can easily identify. GA4, event, and form submission. Before we end the video, a reminder that you should definitely test your new conversion tags to make sure they're working as intended. To do so, click the Preview button in Google Tag Manager, open your website in a new tab, and verify that the GA4 tag is firing as intended. Remember, to publish your Google Tag Manager changes afterwards, and you'll be all set. You're now equipped to set up conversion tracking in Google Analytics either directly or through Google Tag Manager. We hope you find this tutorial useful. If you did and want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button below to stay connected with us here at Rankpay.